Welcome to the channel. I am Charlie from Sanu Motors. Today I have a 2020 Mercedes Sprinter Luton van. I am going to show you how to do the front brake disc and pad of this van. If you not subscribe our channel, please do it now. Also press bell icon, then you can get our new videos. If you have any question, comments, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Stay with me, take a good idea. After that, I'm pretty sure you can do your own like this job. Thank you. Need to remove wheel nut cap. I'm going to crack all wheel nut by hand because this nut very tight. Next step, I'm going to jack up the van. Leave extra stand underneath for additional safety. Remove all wheel nuts. This vehicle has a double piston caliper. Going to remove dust cap. I'm going to press in caliper piston using flat screwdriver. Need to remove brake pad wear sensor connector from the connector. Leave it as it is. Need to remove this holding screw. If it sees, use the hammer like this, then it will come easily. Need to remove caliper nut. It's holding two nuts. You need to use Allen key for this one. I'm going to hang it for safer place. When you work with this van, give extra care for the brake hose and brake pad wear sensor connector. Next step, need to remove two nut for the caliper bracket. I'm going to use the breaker bar for starting. After that, once it's cracked, I can use smaller ratchet for the remove it. I need to use the hammer for remove the disc from hub. It's little bit seize up. Use hammer like this, it will come out. This is new disc pad. It's come with 2 brake pad wear sensor, but this vehicle has only one side wear sensor. Other one I'll keep it for the future purpose. This is new 2 pads. I'm going to compare old disc and new disc identically. Is it okay? Check the nut hole and size. I'm happy with that one. Need to clean that area. After that you can apply little bit copper grease to preventing seize up. When you're going to remove it next time, it's really easy to next time. New disc come with oil coating. Because of that, I'm using brake clean and clean the surface. This is the screw holding brake disc. I'm going to apply little bit copper grease surround that area. Make it easy for next time. Just do the hand tightening. That's enough. Going to remove all slider sling because new brake pad come with the new sling. Before you put on new one, make sure clean that area. Sometimes you can't get like this thing with your one. It doesn't matter, you can clean all one, apply little bit copper grease around that area, and you can reuse it the old one. Don't worry. reinstall that bracket and two nut. Make sure it's tight properly. Apply a little bit copper grease edge of the brake pad. Don't going to apply too much. Also apply only for edge. Don't going to apply surface. I'm going to connect brake pad wear sensor. It's coming to the outside pad like this, not inside pad. This is special tool for the press in caliper piston. If you have like this tool, it's bit handy. If you don't have this one, you can use flat screwdriver to press in two pistons. Little bit hard, but don't worry. Now you can see as it is piston slightly going in. Make sure both piston all way in. Going to reinstall caliper nut. This one come with new two nuts. I'm going to install new two nut. Don't forget dust cap. I'm going to connect brake pad wear sensor to the connector. Going to re-clean fingerprints surround the disc surface. Install tire. Make sure all nuts tight properly. Take out axle stand and lower the jack. Going to fix wheel cap. Job done. Thanks for watching. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. Hopefully you can get new ideas how we're going to replace front disc and pad of Mercedes Sprinter Luton van. If you not subscribe our channel yet, please do it now. Also press bell icon, then you can get our new videos. If you have any question, comments, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Done the brake. Don't forget to go to the inside the van. Press brake pedal until it's getting up. If you pump it 5-6 times, it will up. Please keep in your mind, don't forget this one very important, otherwise you ending with unexpected accident. Thanks for watching. See you with another video. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors.